I just thought that he would appreciate me treating you like an adult. So here's what I got. You administer your own accidental insulin overdose. And just die with your dignity. Like, you're sleeping upstairs. She'll be beneficiary. It's gotta be a fairy. Where are you going? Sir.
Kaon sarap. Lami.
Stop that. Why are you doing that? Stop that. Sir. Sir. What are you doing? Excuse me. Gentleman passed away. I was told to clean up the room.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Give us a minute, please.
Birthday Kunil. Kunil.
This is the balance of your contract. I understand you're upset. Yes, I'm upset. I haven't finished yet. Yes, you have. That was a diabetic for 30 years. You didn't know how to check his blood sugar? Whatever unresolved issues remain. My friend was poisoned enough by him to take his own life. As far as I'm concerned, whatever he did, forgive us. Please. Please. No. Come here. You're done. You're very good, Mr. Wolf. But I hope our paths never cross again. I'm responsible for the death of my best friend.